Heart disease is the leading cause of death globally, responsible for 1 in every 4 deaths. One effective way to reduce the risk of heart disease is by adopting a healthy diet. The Mediterranean diet is one such diet that has been shown to have numerous health benefits, but can the Mediterranean diet reduce the risk of heart disease? The Mediterranean diet has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies have consistently shown that following this diet can lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve cholesterol levels, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide. Many risk factors, including high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and a sedentary lifestyle, contribute to the development of heart disease. Diet is a major modifiable risk factor, and the Mediterranean diet has been associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. In this video, we will explore the evidence supporting the relationship between the Mediterranean diet and heart disease and discuss how the diet may help reduce the risk of heart disease. What is the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is an eating pattern based on the traditional diets of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, including Greece, Italy, and Spain. It emphasizes whole, minimally processed foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, fish, and olive oil. Red meat and processed foods are limited, and the diet is rich in healthy fats such as omega-3 fatty acids. How does the Mediterranean diet reduce the risk of heart disease? The Mediterranean diet has been associated with several factors that can reduce the risk of heart disease. One major factor is its emphasis on healthy fats such as olive oil and fatty fish. These healthy fats can help improve cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and decrease the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet is rich in fruits and vegetables, which provide antioxidants that can protect against oxidative stress. This process can damage cells and contribute to the development of heart disease. Evidence supporting the Mediterranean diet's effect on heart disease. Multiple studies have found that adherence to the Mediterranean diet is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. For example, a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that individuals who followed the Mediterranean diet supplemented with extra virgin olive oil had a significantly lower risk of heart attack, stroke, and death from cardiovascular disease than those following a low-fat diet. Additionally, a review of 50 studies found that adherence to the Mediterranean diet was associated with a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. How to incorporate the Mediterranean diet into your lifestyle? Incorporating the Mediterranean diet into your lifestyle can be simple. Start by focusing on whole, minimally processed foods and limiting red meat and processed foods. Add more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish to your meals. Swap butter for olive oil and use herbs and spices to flavor your food instead of salt. Additionally, consider making small changes over time, such as switching from white bread to whole grain bread or swapping soda for water. Other benefits of the Mediterranean diet. In addition to reducing the risk of heart disease, the Mediterranean diet has been associated with several other health benefits. These include improved brain function, reduced inflammation, and a lower risk of certain cancers. The diet is also flexible and can be adapted to different cultural and personal preferences. Weight management. This diet can help you maintain a healthy weight. It focuses on foods that fill you up and keep you satisfied, like nuts, seeds, and lean proteins. When you're full and happy, you're less likely to overeat. Brain boost. The Mediterranean diet is like a brain booster. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish are like fuel for your brain, helping you think clearly, focus better, and even improve memory. Reduced inflammation. The foods in this diet have lots of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. That means they can help your body fight off things that can cause inflammation, like diseases and infections. Strong bones and muscles. With foods like whole grains, beans, and lean proteins, the Mediterranean diet gives your body the building blocks it needs for strong bones and muscles. Calcium from dairy and the right vitamins from fruits and vegetables also play a role. Skin and hair health. The Mediterranean diet gives you the vitamins and nutrients your skin and hair need to stay healthy and vibrant. Think of it as a natural way to make your skin glow and your hair shine. Long-term well-being. Following the Mediterranean diet isn't just about the present, it's about the future. The combination of balanced nutrition, healthy fats, and a variety of foods can lead to better long-term health, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. The Mediterranean diet is an eating pattern based on whole, minimally processed foods rich in healthy fats, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. Evidence supports the idea that adherence to the Mediterranean diet can reduce the risk of heart disease and provide several other health benefits. Consider incorporating some of the principles of the Mediterranean diet into your lifestyle to improve your overall health.